How do astronauts communicate with Earth? Imagine floating hundreds of miles above the ground, yet still being able to talk to people on Earth instantly. How do astronauts make that happen? It all comes down to a network of advanced technology working together seamlessly. On the International Space Station and other spacecraft in low Earth orbit, communication mainly happens through radio waves sent via satellites and ground stations. These signals travel back and forth, keeping astronauts connected with mission control and loved ones. Astronauts use special radios that operate on very high frequency bands to send voice, video, and data signals. These radios can connect directly to relay satellites or sometimes send signals straight to ground stations if they are in line of sight. The relay satellites, called tracking and data relay satellites, orbit Earth in fixed positions called geosynchronous orbits. They act like relay runners, passing signals from the spacecraft to ground stations around the world. This system makes sure astronauts can talk almost all the time, even when the spacecraft is behind Earth or out of direct contact. Ground stations are large antennas, some as tall as a building, operated by NASA and other space agencies. These stations are spread across the globe, including in California, Spain, and Australia. They receive signals from the relay satellites and send commands back to the spacecraft. This network keeps the flow of communication smooth and reliable. Astronauts also sometimes use ham radio equipment on the International Space Station. This allows them to chat with amateur radio operators on Earth, which is a fun way to connect with people outside the space program. When missions go beyond Earth's orbit, like to the Moon or Mars, communication gets trickier. Signals take longer to travel, sometimes up to 24 minutes one way for Mars. This delay means astronauts and mission control have to plan conversations carefully, knowing they won't get immediate responses. To stay in touch with lunar or Martian missions, relay satellites orbit those bodies, forwarding signals back to Earth. Astronaut training includes learning how to operate these radios and manage signal delays. They practice troubleshooting communication issues and following protocols to keep contact clear and steady. This training helps them stay connected during emergencies or routine check-ins. In the end, the way astronauts talk to Earth is a mix of high-tech satellites, powerful ground stations, and well-trained crew members. It's a system that keeps everyone in touch, no matter how far they are from home.